G'day there, Nick here from Bowater Hyundai, Isuzu in Reno. Just wanted to show you over this 2018 Suzuki Jimny that we've recently got in. Any young adventurer looking for a four-wheel drive, throw the skis on the roof racks, this is the one for you. We'll take a look around it. As we get to the back here, nice full-size spare on the back. Nice tow bar installed already for you. Throw the bikes on the back and head away for the weekend. Like I said before, roof racks on the top, good for your skis or your surfboard, and head away for the weekend. Now on the inside here, as you can see, fantastic Sony aftermarket surround system. Good for those long trips down Abel Tasman, blasting the tunes as you head to the beach. Easy high-low four-wheel drive ratios there. Only done 56,000 Ks. Fantastic buy for someone at $21,990. So come in and see us at Bowater Hyundai, Isuzu and Reno, and come for a drive. Cheers.